Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a very exciting topic, Gemini. Gemini is a new AI model from Google that is being hailed as a major breakthrough in the field of artificial intelligence. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, is Gemini available now? And I'm also going to discuss some of the potential applications of this technology. What is Gemini? Before we get into the question of whether or not Gemini is available now, let's take a quick look at what it is. Gemini is a large language model that has been trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This allows it to generate human-like text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. 2. 1. artisanq.com. artisanq.com. 2. www.robofy.ai. www.robofy.ai. How is Gemini different from other AI models? Gemini is different from other AI models in a number of ways. First, it is much larger than any other language model that has been released to the public. Second, it has been trained on a much more diverse dataset of text and code. Third, it is able to generate text that is more coherent and accurate than any other language model that has been released to the public. What are the potential applications of Gemini? Gemini has a wide range of potential applications. It could be used to create more realistic chatbots, to generate more engaging content for websites and social media, and to help people with tasks like writing, translating, and coding. Is Gemini available now? The answer to the question, is Gemini available now, is yes and no. Gemini is not currently available to the general public. However, Google has released a limited number of API keys to developers and researchers. This means that you can start using Gemini if you have access to an API key. How can I get access to an API key? There are a few ways to get access to an API key for Gemini. One way is to apply for the Gemini Early Access Program. Another way is to attend a Google event or conference where API keys are being distributed. What are the limitations of Gemini? Gemini is still a relatively new model, and there are some limitations to its capabilities. For example, it can sometimes generate text that is biased or inaccurate. It is also not able to generate text that is as creative or imaginative as a human being. In conclusion, Gemini is a very exciting new AI model that has the potential to revolutionize a number of industries. While it is not currently available to the general public, you can start using it if you have access to an API key. I encourage you to learn more about Gemini and explore its potential applications. If you're interested in learning more about Gemini, I encourage you to check out the following resources. The Gemini website, https://gemini.google.com. The Gemini blog, https://blog.google/products/Gemini. The Gemini documentation, https://support.google.com/docs/answers/139514448?HL=N. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more AI content. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.